Hi, my name is Lorna. I'm with VaFeltre Tours. My husband Dante is Italian, and we've been splitting our time between the US and Italy for 14 years since we've been married. This year has obviously been a little bit different for us. We're a tour operator and we're tour guides. We lead tours in the US as well as here in Italy, Austria, Croatia, Slovenia, Germany, the UK, Ireland, and a lot of other places. Anyway, we have a daughter, and this year our school in Maryland, she was supposed to start kindergarten. Our school in Maryland decided that they were going to put all of the kids virtual through January, and now they're even saying that all the way through March, they're hoping to be able to start hybrid in March. So we had looked into homeschooling instead of sticking her in front of a screen for 6 hours a day. And Dante decided to call the school here in Ciao. We live here in Val di Non. We're about 20 minutes north of Trento. They said they were going to have in-person learning. So far, we've been lucky enough that she's actually been in person the whole school year. She was accepted into first grade. So we've decided to stay here all year this year. Most of you know the chance to have her learning Italian in first grade from the beginning for us is an amazing experience. But it's given us the opportunity to experience a little bit more here in Italy. Obviously, as a tour operator and tour directors, we haven't been doing much since last spring. Now that we finally have some kind of vaccine rollout going on, and the numbers here from the lockdowns, the numbers are getting a little bit better. We've been able to see a little bit of movement here in Italy. We are going to be planning in the next few weeks some local meetups and some chances for families to get together. Obviously, we are limited right now to those of you who are in Trentino, but we're hoping that within about the next, we kind of estimate about the next 3 or 4 weeks, maybe, that the regions will open up and we'll be able to see some of you in nearby neighboring regions. So we're going to be planning day trips and family activities so that all of us can get together and finally meet each other. As well as all of that, we just wanted to reach out because we assume that just like us, you have family and friends who are just dying to be able to get on that plane and come over and see you in Italy, and they're just waiting for that green light to have the go ahead so that they can go. We're here for you. We want to let you know that we can plan their vacation. We can plan day trips for you. We can book the whole holiday, whatever it is that you want all over Europe. We're ready for you. Whether you're new to Italy or you're looking to just get out and do something new, we can plan fly and drive activities for you or itineraries for you, or we can book the entire vacation. In the meantime, we're asking if you could do us a favor, please. Dante has been working all winter on our videos and updating our YouTube channel. If you could check out our YouTube channel, it's VaFeltre, and he's going to put that in the description here. Subscribe to us, share it with your friends and family back home, get them excited to come and visit us, like it, share it, subscribe, and if you guys could give us some comments and suggestions, things that you want to see on our channel. And also you can go to our website, which is vafeltre.com, and subscribe to our newsletter. Again, you can share that with anybody and you'll be able to get to know us a little bit better, see what it is that we can do, and we hope that we'll be able to see many or all of you within the next few weeks. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks.